Hello students, let us take a question on collisions and center of mass topic. This question appeared in previous JEE mains question 2024. The question as follows. So three identical spheres each of mass 2m are placed at the corners of a right angle triangle with mutually perpendicular sides each equal to 4 meters each. Okay, there are three particles will be there, each of mass 2m are placed on a triangle something like this. Call this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is origin. One particle is here, another particle is here, another particle is here. So this is 2m, this is 2m and this is 2m. Each side is of 4 meters, each side is of 4 meters. And of course, so this is the origin, means its coordinates are 0 0. So these coordinates are 4 0, these coordinates are 0 4. So we need to determine the magnitude of position of center of mass. So somewhere here will be the center of mass position. So we need to determine what is the x coordinate of center of mass and what is the y coordinate of center of mass. So let us follow the standard definition. So standard definition will be simply m1r1 plus m2r2 plus m3r3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So I am writing for it. All are of same mass. Let us pull out the 2m outside. In the denominator 2m plus 2m plus 2m 6m outside. The first one is at the origin 0 I cap plus 0 j cap. The second one is at 4 0 here. 4 I cap plus 0 j cap. The last one will be here. X coordinate is 0 but y coordinate will be of 4. So finally if I check here, the position of the center of mass will be here. So in the denominator it comes up mass cancel, by 3 it will come here. In the numerator it will be 4i plus 4j will come. So I want the magnitude of this. The magnitude of this will be is, so and of course 4 by 3 as usual. So square root of 1 plus 1, it comes out to be root 2. So 4 root 2 divided by 3, and they are asking this x value. We got this x value is the 3. So quite easily done, and it is based on the simple definition. If you know the definition of center of mass, you can solve this problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and share the content to your friends. Thank you very much.